What's up guys, welcome back to Today Man. My name is Thomas. Thank you for joining me. This week what we're going to be talking about, how to rock the flannel. Nothing says fall the way a flannel does. A flannel is perfect for the days where it starts getting a little bit colder, but not too cold that you have to wear a jacket. The flannel also does a really good job at keeping you stylish with the fall colors and is very functional at the same time. So today we're going to go over 5 ways that you can wear and rock a flannel this fall. The first look that we're going for this fall is as basic as it gets, and I don't mean that in a bad way. It's just a flannel with a pair of jeans or nice pants. Now you can add some style to this outfit by, rolling up the sleeves, maybe unbuttoning a few more buttons if you like to show off a little bit more chest. But I think what's really gonna make a difference here is what you decide to wear on your feet. A pair of white sneakers is really gonna make your outfit seem very chill, laid back. We're just chilling, kind of, having some fun. As opposed to a pair of brown Chelsea boots, it's gonna make your whole outfit seem a little bit more dressed up. So what you wear on your feet changes the whole aesthetic of your outfit. So just be careful with what you're wearing on your feet, okay? The second look we're going for this fall is the one that I'm currently wearing right now, which is a flannel with an undershirt. I typically go for a black solid tee or a white solid tee like the one I'm wearing right now because it just looks nice, clean, and casual. I personally like to wear it without any buttons on, but buttoned up, just a few buttons can also be a very stylish look for the fall. You can also go ahead and roll up the sleeves a little bit if you like to just add a little bit more flair to the outfit. Now, if you're feeling really edgy and you want to go for more of a bad boy sort of look, you can also switch the undershirt for something more like a tank top. That's going to give you more of a rugged sort of look. Like I said, like more of a bad boy sort of look. And if that's what you're trying to go for, make sure that it's not too chilly outside because a tank top isn't going to give you any sort of warmth whatsoever. Okay, for look number 3, what we're gonna go ahead and do is, let's say we're wearing a basic white tee or white long sleeve with jeans, your basic typical outfit, but you're like, I'm trying to add some flair to it. How do we go ahead and do that with a flannel? Well, you can go ahead and wear it around your waist. Wearing it around your waist is a cool look. I feel like a lot of people kind of tend to underrate that look, but it gives your whole outfit a different dynamic when you wear it around your waist. And because it's such an underrated look, I feel like a lot of people wouldn't wear it, which would make you stand out a lot more if you wear it around your waist like that. So don't be scared to do it. Try it out and let me know how it goes. Now for number 4, let's say that it is starting to get a little bit chilly outside and you're like, oh man, I definitely need a little bit more than just a flannel today. Consider some layering. Flannels are so easy to layer with for the fall, like I said earlier, right? And all you need to do is add a jacket. Adding a denim jacket like this one or a hoodie on top of it will help you to stay a little bit warmer for the fall. And that's what the flannel is all about, being stylish but functional at the same time to keep you a little bit warmer for the fall. Now with a jacket, you can go ahead and wear it out like this. You can button it up, a few buttons all the way to the top. You can wear it without the undershirt. Me personally, I like wearing it exactly like this because it kind of shows off all the layers that I'm wearing for this outfit. And you can see how much effort, but at the same time how little effort I've put into this outfit. Is this one, the flannel with the beanie on top. This is another fall style essential. A fall style staple is the beanie, and paired with another fall essential, the flannel, it's gonna look like you're ready to go to a bonfire and make some s'mores, man. I mean, can you see how one accessory changes your entire look? I feel like 5 minutes ago I was a completely different person than what I am now wearing this beanie. If you don't want to wear a beanie, you could also consider wearing just a regular hat and see how that looks. I know I've seen a few people rock the hat like just a regular cap or the backwards cap look. Also is a really cool look. And guys, I know that there's so many other ways that you can rock a flannel. So if I didn't mention one that you personally like, comment it down below and I'll make sure to check it out. As always, like and subscribe to the video, stay beautiful inside and outside, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace out.